In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly deactivate your Slack account step by step. If you no longer need access to a particular Slack workspace and want to remove your account from it, this process is fairly simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open your web browser and go to Slack. From there, sign in to the workspace where you want to deactivate your account. It's important to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one, because deactivation only applies to the workspace you're currently using. Once you're signed in, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile picture. Click on it to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to several account and profile related options. Next, choose Profile. After your profile opens, click the three dots icon to reveal more options, then select Account Settings. This will take you to the settings area where Slack stores the controls related to your account. When the settings page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Keep going until you find the section labeled Deactivate Account. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a bit more than expected, so take your time and make sure you don't miss it. Once you see that section, click the button that says Deactivate Your Account. Slack will then show you a confirmation screen or message explaining what happens when your account is deactivated. Read through those details carefully so you understand the change before continuing. If prompted, enter your password to verify your identity. This is a normal security step designed to confirm that you are the person making the request. After that, click Yes, deactivate my account to complete the process, and that's it. Your Slack account for that workspace will be deactivated. If you're doing this as part of cleaning up old accounts, it can be a good idea to make sure you've saved any important information before confirming, since deactivation may affect your access going forward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy guides.